This is how you delete photos from Google Photos, but keep them on your phone. I took a photo of this guy right here. If I go to the Photos app, you see my photo right there. And if I go to Google Photos, we see that photo right here as well in our photo list. Now, if I delete it from here, right now from Google Photos, it's going to remove it from the regular Photos app as well. It's gone. So let's retake that photo. So there's our new photo in the Photos app. In Google Photos, it should be here already. It goes pretty darn quick. There it is right there. Now, you used to be able to go on your phone to Safari and then Google Photos, which is this website right here, and log in and then delete it from the web-based version on your phone. But I can't find the login link anymore. Every link says get the app, and it takes you to the Google Photos app, which we don't want. But on your computer, you can still go to photos.google.com. That's where I am right now. If I refresh, we'll see our new photo here. There it is right there. Now, if I delete this from here, move to trash, and then we go back to our phone, and we go to the Google Photos app. Should be gone. There it is. It's gone now. And then if I go to the iPhone Photos app, the photo is still here. So the bottom line is, if you want to delete Google Photos but keep the photo on your phone, you used to be able to do it all on your phone, but now you need your phone and a computer going forward. If you want to scam-proof your phone, which I recommend you do because nobody likes being scammed, I made this free PDF document that walks you through all the settings you have to set to make sure your phone is scam-proof. Just scan this QR code if you're watching on a TV, or click the link at the top of the description, and you'll be able to find this download. So make sure you check that out. If you want more storage on your phone, this is the video that will help you do it. It empties the trash cans on your phone, all the hidden trash cans that you probably don't even know about. So check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.